Part 1. Uncovering generational stories in All the Things We Didn't Say, about the book and authors. All the Things We Didn't Say. Two Memoirs is a dual memoir by Marion Garrard Barnwell and her maternal grandmother Mary DuBose Trice Clark. Published by the University Press of Mississippi in September 2024, the book intertwines two narratives, offering a profound exploration of family, identity, and the complexities of womanhood across generations. Mary DuBose Trice Clark, born in 1879 in Okolona, Mississippi, was a music graduate from Belmont College in Nashville. Her memoir, penned in 1956, provides a factual account of her life in Mississippi, towns like Okolona, Nettleton, Verona, and Tupelo. While rich in historical detail, her narrative often sidesteps emotional introspection, reflecting the reticence of her era. Marion Garrard Barnwell, Professor Emerita of English at Delta State University, responds to her grandmother's memoir by delving into the unspoken aspects of their shared history. Writing at the same age her grandmother did, Barnwell addresses themes like alcoholism, racism, and the intricate dynamics between generations of women in the Mississippi Delta. Her contribution seeks to fill the emotional void left by her grandmother's narrative, offering a more introspective and healing perspective. Part 1. Exploring the first memoir, Mary DuBose Trice Clark. 1. A glimpse into early 20th century Mississippi. Clark's memoir serves as a window into life in Mississippi during the early 1900s. She chronicles her experiences in various towns, highlighting the cultural and societal norms of the time. Her narrative provides valuable historical context, detailing the landscapes and communities that shaped her life. 2. The art of factual storytelling. Adhering to a commitment to just plain facts, Clark's writing style is straightforward and descriptive. She focuses on events and places, often avoiding personal emotions or reflections. This approach reflects the societal expectations of her time, where emotional expression was often subdued. 3. Omissions and silences. While informative, Clark's memoir leaves out discussions of personal relationships and emotional experiences. Her reluctance to delve into these areas creates a sense of mystery and prompts questions about the unspoken aspects of her life. This silence sets the stage for Barnwell's later exploration of their family's emotional landscape. In this first part, we've examined Mary DuBose Trice Clark's memoir, which offers a factual account of her life in early 20th century Mississippi. Her narrative provides historical insights but leaves emotional gaps that her granddaughter Marion Garrard Barnwell seeks to fill. In Part 2, we'll delve into Barnwell's memoir, where she addresses these silences and explores the deeper emotional truths of their shared family history. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we'll continue our journey through all the things we didn't say. Part 2, Unveiling Emotional Truths in All the Things We Didn't Say. 4. Marion Garrard Barnwell's memoir, A Response to Silence. In the second part of All the Things We Didn't Say, Marion Garrard Barnwell, at the age of 77, the same age her grandmother was when she wrote her memoir, offers a deeply introspective narrative that serves as a response to the emotional gaps in Mary DuBose Trice Clark's account. Barnwell delves into her own life experiences in the Mississippi Delta, addressing complex themes such as alcoholism, racism, and the nuanced dynamics between generations of women. Her memoir seeks to uncover the unspoken truths and emotional undercurrents that shaped their family's history. 5. exploring family dynamics and societal challenges. Barnwell's narrative confronts the challenges of growing up in a family where emotional expression was often suppressed. She examines the impact of societal issues like racism and the struggles with alcoholism within her family, providing a candid look at the obstacles she faced. Through her storytelling, Barnwell highlights the importance of acknowledging and addressing these issues to foster understanding and healing. 6. Bridging generations through storytelling. By juxtaposing her own memoir with her grandmother's, Barnwell creates a dialogue between generations. This dual narrative approach allows readers to see the contrasts and similarities in their experiences, shedding light on how societal expectations and personal choices influence the way stories are told and remembered. Barnwell's reflections offer a more emotionally rich and nuanced perspective, filling in the gaps left by her grandmother's factual recounting. Conclusion: lessons from All the Things We Didn't Say. All the Things We Didn't Say serves as a powerful testament to the importance of storytelling in understanding our personal and collective histories. Through the interwoven memoirs of Mary DuBose, Trice and Marion Garrard Barnwell, readers are invited to explore the complexities of family dynamics, the impact of societal issues, and the transformative power of confronting unspoken truths. Key takeaways: the value of emotional honesty. Barnwell's candid reflections underscore the importance of expressing emotions and confronting difficult truths to achieve personal growth and healing. Understanding generational perspectives. The contrasting narratives highlight how different generations approach storytelling and the significance of bridging these perspectives to gain a fuller understanding of family history. The role of storytelling in healing. By sharing their stories, both women demonstrate how recounting personal experiences can serve as a means of processing trauma and fostering resilience. This dual memoir not only enriches our understanding of the author's lives, but also encourages readers to reflect on their own family narratives and the unspoken stories that shape them.
Thank you so much for watching. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to watch another one. We think you'll love it. And don't forget to follow us for more easy English and amazing book summaries. See you soon!